nangyari ngayong afternoon?
Hello, good afternoon. First of all, congratulations sa lahat ng candidate. You did very well tonight. I was so amazed sa detalye ng bawat costume. Yun nga, lahat magaganda, lahat nadala ng maayos. So, congratulations guys.
Alright, thank you so much and I agree. Talagang pinagbigyan talaga ng time dahil yung details din talaga ng ating mga Royal Regalia outfits ay talaga namang pasabog kung pasabog.
At hindi rin biro yun, Gab, like every night hanggang hindi mo nakahawakan yung costume mo. I know the feeling, yung stress talaga nandoon. Every night. Hi, sir! Magandang hapon po sa inyo. Sir, just want to know, anything you would like to say sa teams natin who won?
First of all, I want to congratulate the team of King of the World, Meg Perez and the whole team. Congratulations. I want to congratulate also the gorgeous and good-looking candidates of King of the World. So for me, I scored based on how you carried your full regalia costume. And a few stood out for me. Some wearing white, some wearing red, and some wearing blue. Congratulations.
Alright, thank
Salamat,
you
sir.
so much. Mami would like to ask for your comment naman and message to our candidates.
Yeah, good afternoon. First and foremost, I would like to congratulate the handlers and the contestants as well. You did a great job. Actually, I cannot choose because alam ko naman lahat kayo nagpakahirap just to reach yung level na yan. I was looking for a right color but unfortunately wala dyan because I'm rooting for a violet which is royal black color talaga, but wala naman siya. So, nag-choose ako, but I'd rather not make comment. So, it's a surprise. Okay? But everybody did well. I would like to congratulate you, organizers, and thank you for choosing Santa Lucia Mall. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Oh, I have here my co-judge for Binibining Parañaque, the fourth runner-up itself of Miss Loba, Miss Sina Ramos, right? Hi, Miss Sina, how are you today?
Hello, feeling good. I'm really happy that na-invite ko ako dito sa King of the World Philippines. I would love to commend everyone. Alam ko hindi madali mag-carry ng certain aura sa stage, but the name of the pageant itself is King of the World, and I'm really happy that you're all kings yourself dito sa stage. I'd like to commend Sir Meg Perez. Napakaganda ng category or ng show niya. That's very unique. Wala pa akong nakikita ganito sa ibang pageants. And everybody really shined tonight. Nahirapan kaming lahat, but I know na in-embody niya yung presence of being a king and being a role model to everyone who is watching. So, congratulations.
I agree, Sina. Last, Gab, I'd like to know the thoughts of no other than Mr. Meg Perez.
Okay. Lahat ng 36 candidates, binigyan pa ng 100. Kasi alam ko yung effort, yung sobrang pagod, sobrang pagkakaaligaga ng araw-araw naming schedules. Kaya bahala na yung aking mga co-judges na mag-decide kung sino talaga ang karapat-dapat na manalo para sa King Suit category. At sa nakita ko naman, lahat naman talaga ay nagbigay ng kanilang full effort dahil napakaganda. Actually, kanina naiiyak ako, nahihilabot ako dahil nag-come up ako dun sa idea na bakit hindi ko tanggalin yung festival costume at yung national costume na usual na ginagawa ng lahat ng male and female pageants. So dahil yung sa akin naman is King of the World, so dapat meron kaming trademark. ito na nga ang King Suit. So, nag-royal regalia kami. So next year, mahihirapan na naman ako kung ano naman ang bagong pasabog ng King of the World. Siguro kanina nung habang naglalakad, naisip ko na, okay, nailuwal ko na yung King Suit category. Gusto ko naman next year, magdadala ang official candidates ng kanilang mga queen at merong presentation. Hari, kanya-kanyang dala ng kanilang mga queen, kung saan man yung provinces na yan, Queen of Quezon, Queen of Isabela, Queen of... Kasi for sure, kayong mga hari, meron kayong mga reyna. So parang ang ganda nun. Tapos parang ano siya talaga, tama, royal regaya, royal gala, parang pumunta sa isang